is what? That is, it's a process of filling a gap in one strand of the double-stranded DNA by retrieving a homologous single strand from another double-stranded DNA. That means here it is saying that when the parental DNA, that replication fork is formed like that. Replication fork is formed. So from this replication fork, from this strand, one daughter strand form, and from this strand, one daughter strand form. So what is saying that the process of filling a gap in one strand of the double-stranded DNA by retrieving a homologous single strand from the another double-stranded DNA. Suppose if there is any damages is occurred, so in that situation it is recovered by this strand. Okay. This is a simple word, and it is obviously post-replication repair method. That means after completion of the replication, this repairing method is done. When DNA is replicated, the dimer that prevents the damaged site from acting as a template. We all know without a template, new DNA cannot be formed. So if any damage is seen in the, suppose this is the parental strand, and if any damage is seen like this side, so new strand that is formed without completion of leaving a gap